Alright, today we are going to be doing a relay attack on a GE wireless doorbell. First, we're going to attach the necessary tools needed, which is the Hack RF1 and the RTL USB dongle. And so you are just going to be attaching this to your computer. Alright, and once those are all hooked up to your computer, you can now download the necessary tools in Kali Linux, and you can do this by doing the command sudo apt get install gqrx-sdr. And for the next one, you can do sudo apt get install rtl-433. Alright, now to run the program, you just type in gqrx on your command line and it will take you here. And this is how we measure the radio frequencies that are being emitted by the wireless doorbell. And so you can just press the play button at the very top, and this will be measuring the radio frequencies around you. And so now what we are going to do is we're going to find the radio frequency that the doorbell operates on, and we're going to do this by pressing the doorbell and finding where it peaks. Now that we know where it operates, which is 433-922-300, so we are going to use the information that we found to record the doorbell when it rings. So we start off by putting in this command line and we include that number where we saw it peak at. So we will put this into the command line to record the frequencies of the doorbell when we press the button. And again, here is that number that it peaked at that we saw when we went into GQRX. And so here we are recording. Alright, now that that information is captured and saved into Doorbell, we can now replay that and make the doorbell ring without us actually having to touch the button. Alright, now to use that information that we gathered to do a relay attack, we put this into the command line and include all of the necessary flags, and this will make the doorbell ring without having to press the button. As you can see, the doorbell ring is right there next to the computer. So by analyzing the signal, recording it, and then replaying it, we were able to successfully make a doorbell ring without pressing the button, only using the radio frequencies recorded by the dongle and the Hack RF. Alright, and thank you for watching.